I have not been active for a while now, but I'm back and I'm back for good. While I was away, I received so much connection requests on my LinkedIn profile, and honestly, some of the profiles I was seeing are nothing to write home about. This is why I'm making this video today because there is no reason for you to be a virtual assistant and your LinkedIn profile is a mess. It doesn't work that way. So how do you want clients to know that you're a virtual assistant? How do you want to prove to people that you're a virtual assistant? There is a saying that first impression matters. So this is why your LinkedIn profile needs to be optimized in order to convince your potential clients or people visiting your profile that you are good at what you do. In case you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Jane Frances and I am your virtual assistant. Welcome to my community. I hate to break it to you, but if you're among those people that their LinkedIn profile looks like a hot mess, you will find it very difficult to land a client on LinkedIn. Like, someone should be able to go to your profile and be convinced enough to send you a direct message, talk more of an invite. So your LinkedIn profile has to be optimized as a virtual assistant. You can't be claiming that you're a professional and you have a profile picture from the previous party you went to. You have the profile picture on LinkedIn from the previous party you went to. This is the most annoying part. Let me tell you some of the mistakes some people make on LinkedIn. And number one, not having a professional profile picture. Having a professional LinkedIn profile doesn't even have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be a rocket science. You don't need to call professionals to take you the picture. You don't need to go to a studio to get a professional LinkedIn profile picture. All you have to do is you can make use of your mobile device, your mobile phone to take a picture, take a headshot and make sure it's very clear. Once you have taken the picture, you can make use of AI tools like Canva, or we have a lot of them, to remove the background and upload it on LinkedIn. Take a headshot and upload it on LinkedIn. That's all. You don't have to do so much to take a professional profile picture. After updating your professional LinkedIn picture, the next thing that needs to be updated is your LinkedIn banner. Your LinkedIn banner is what makes everything more professional. It should clearly state the things you do as a virtual assistant. It should be clearly stated in your LinkedIn banner. Next is your profile headline or your LinkedIn profile headline. Your headline should be able to summarize your professional brand in just few words. Virtual assistant, helping businesses, blah blah blah. So it should be able to summarize everything in few words, simple, clear and concise, just like this. Next one is the about section, and this about section is where you will explain how you are able to add value to people. How are you able to add value to whoever you will work with or whoever you're working with? How can you add value to them? You should be able to explain what you do and how you are going to help. If you don't explain how you add value to people, of course they will come to your profile and they will keep scrolling. So your about section is where you're able to explain how you're able to add value to businesses and to your potential clients. It's not enough to optimize your LinkedIn profile. It's not enough to just do that. You have to be consistent if you want to grow fast on LinkedIn. You have to show up every day for recruiters to be able to find you fast. So it's not just about optimizing your profile. You also have to show up for the things to work for you to grow on LinkedIn, because a lot of people are finding it difficult to optimize their LinkedIn profile. A lot of people feel it's a rocket science for them to optimize their LinkedIn profile. So there is a tool we call Career.ai. Careerflow.ai is going to be in the description. So this tool is going to help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile from beginning to end. You don't even have to strength. It's going to guide you step by step on how you can optimize, not just how you can optimize, on the things you can do in order to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And the best part is, once your LinkedIn profile has been optimized, you will see it there. It's going to give you a certificate to show you that your LinkedIn profile has been optimized now 100%. It's going to guide you from your profile picture to your LinkedIn banner to your about section to everything that has to do with your LinkedIn. It's going to show you the right things to say on your LinkedIn in order to make your LinkedIn profile optimized. I've always told you guys not to joke with LinkedIn, and I'm still repeating it now. Having a strong LinkedIn profile builds trust and it positions you for greater opportunities. There is no reason for you to be a virtual assistant and your LinkedIn profile is a mess. I will say it again. You have to be serious on LinkedIn if you want to go far as a virtual assistant. You have to start taking your LinkedIn seriously. Treat it as your business. Treat it is your personal brand. LinkedIn is your personal brand. LinkedIn is who you are. So you need to start taking it serious. You need to start treating it like gold. I would like to know if you have any questions in the comment section. And if you find this video very useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.